Here are the talk reactions. Today, the odds from the Hacked app is what I'm going to give you, and these odds they are 90 to 99% winning assured, of which you can try your luck on. And this selection is special. That is, it is 2 weeks long bet from the Hacked app, which is giving a total odd of 8,000 plus odds, of which you can try your luck on. So without wasting my time, let me quickly take you to the games to know the selections from the Hacked app, which is 2 weeks long from the Hacked app, having 90 to 99% winning assured. But if you are first time watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that anytime I drop new content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Now let's get into the selections. So the game between Arsenal and Leeds United, they tipped straight in by 2 up for Arsenal, giving an odd of 1.36. Fulham versus Manchester United, straight in by 1 up for Manchester United, giving an odd of 1.54. Newcastle versus Liverpool, straight in by 1 up for Liverpool, giving an odd of 1.46. Chelsea versus Fulham, they tipped straight in but 1 up for Chelsea, giving an odd of 1.29. Manchester United again versus Burnley, they tipped straight in by 2 up for Manchester United, giving an odd of 1.35. Brighton and Hove Albion versus Manchester City, they tipped straight in but 1 up for Manchester City, giving an odd of 1.32. Atletico Madrid versus Elche, they tipped straight in by 2 up for Atletico Madrid, giving an odd of 1.25. Levante versus Barcelona, they tipped straight in by 2 out for Barcelona, giving an odd of 1.26. Villarreal versus Girona, they tipped over 0.5 goals for Villarreal, giving an odd of 1.12. Real Oviedo versus Real Madrid, they tipped straight in by 2 out for Real Madrid, giving an odd of 1.33. Alaves versus Atletico Madrid again, they tipped straight in but 1 up for Atletico Madrid, giving an odd of 1.46. Real Madrid versus Mallorca, they tipped straight in but 2 up for Real Madrid, giving an odd of 1.24. Celta Vigo versus Villarreal, they tipped straight in but 1 up for Villarreal, giving an odd of 1.69. Okay, so for this selection, per my own, I can say you can go for double chance for Villarreal or Villarreal to score a goal. Okay, Rayo Vallecano versus Barcelona, they tipped straight in by 2 out for Barcelona, giving an odd of 1.37. Sassuolo versus Napoli, they tipped straight in by 1 out for Napoli, giving an odd of 1.35. Juventus versus Parma, they tipped straight in by 1 out for Juventus, giving an odd of 1.23. AC Milan versus Cremonese, they tipped straight in by 1 out for AC Milan, giving an odd of 1.24. Inter Milan versus FC Turin, they tipped straight in by 1 out for Inter Milan, giving an odd of 1.23. Lecce versus AC Milan, they tipped straight win but 1 out for AC Milan, giving an odd of 1.37. Genoa versus Juventus, they tipped straight win but 1 out for Juventus, giving an odd of 1.51. St. Pauli versus Dortmund, they tipped straight win but 1 out for Dortmund, giving an odd of 1.46. Augsburg versus Bayern Munich, they tipped straight win but 2 up for Bayern Munich, giving an odd of 1.30. Borussia Dortmund versus Union Berlin, they tipped straight win but 2 up for Borussia Dortmund, giving an odd of 1.36. Marseille versus Paris, they tipped straight win but 1 up for Marseille, giving an odd of 1.23. Benfica versus Tondela, they tipped straight win but 2 out for Benfica, giving an odd of 1.18. Porto versus Casapia, they tipped straight in but 1 out for Porto, giving an odd of 1.13. Braga versus Football Sad, they tipped straight in by 2 out for Braga, giving an odd of 1.33. PSV Eindhoven versus Groningen, they tipped straight in by 2 out for PSV, giving an odd of 1.21. Ajax versus Heracles, they tipped straight win by 2 out for Ajax, giving an odd of 1.22. PSV versus Tasta, they tipped straight win by 2 out for PSV, giving an odd of 1.08. Sparta Rotterdam versus Feyenoord, they tipped straight win but 1 out for Feyenoord, giving an odd of 1.35. And the last on the list is the match between Kayserispor versus Galatasaray, and they tipped straight win by 2 out for Galatasaray, giving an odd of 1.33. So all these selections combined is giving a total odd of 8,055.47 with a maximum bonus of 160%. Okay, so this is the selections from the Hacked app, which is 2 weeks long selections. Okay, and the booking code is what you see on the screen. As I always say, these selections, they are subject to changes. You can make changes to 1 or 2 selections of which it is not your liking by either omitting it or making changes to the selection, as simple as that. We hope to see greens and this long short. We hope to see greens, and the greens shall we see forever. Here's a talk reaction, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here's the talk reactions, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.